Welcome to Money Mavericks. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of online freelancing, where you can earn extra income from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or video editor, we've got valuable tips and insights for you. Let's get started. Top freelancing platforms for beginners. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest and most popular freelancing platforms, offering a wide range of job categories, from writing and graphic design to programming and virtual assistants. It has a vast client base, but competition can be high. Fiverr. Fiverr is known for its gig system, where freelancers offer specific services at fixed prices, starting from $5. It's great for creative services like logo design, voiceovers, and social media posts. Freelancer. Freelancer is a competitive platform with various project types. It allows you to bid on projects and has options for hourly or fixed-rate contracts. Crafting a winning freelancer profile. Your freelancer profile serves as your online resume and the first impression for potential clients. Make it stand out with these tips. Showcase your skills and experience. Highlight your expertise and previous successful projects to demonstrate your capabilities. Professional bio and photo. Write a professional bio that outlines your strengths and what you can offer to clients. Include a friendly photo to add a personal touch. Portfolio. Showcase your best work samples in a portfolio to give clients a glimpse of your abilities. Reviews and testimonials. Request feedback from previous clients and display positive reviews to build trust. Writing freelance success. Content mills versus direct clients. Content mills. Content mills are platforms where writers can find a constant flow of work but typically at lower rates. They are suitable for beginners or those looking for consistent income. Direct clients. Working directly with clients allows you to negotiate higher rates and build long-term relationships. However, finding clients may require more effort and marketing skills. Graphic design freelancing. Finding your niche and charging what you're worth. Niche selection. Specializing in a particular graphic design niche, example, logo design, web design, branding, can help you stand out and attract clients seeking specific services. Pricing. Research the market to understand the average rates for your niche. Consider factors like your experience, complexity of projects, and client budgets when setting your prices. Portfolio. As a programmer, having a well-organized portfolio with descriptions of projects you've worked on will help showcase your skills to potential clients. Contributing to open-source projects on platforms like GitHub can demonstrate your coding abilities and involvement in the developer community. Utilize freelancing platforms and networking events to connect with potential clients and other freelancers. Video editing freelance tips, showcasing your skills and nailing client requirements. Portfolio. Similar to graphic design and programming, a strong portfolio is essential for showcasing your video editing skills. Communication. Understand your client's requirements clearly and maintain open communication throughout the project to deliver a video that aligns with their vision. Freelancer time management. Set priorities. Prioritize tasks based on deadlines and importance to stay organized and efficient. Use productivity tools. Utilize time management tools, such as calendars, task lists, and project management software, to keep track of assignments and deadlines. Freelancing do's and don'ts. Building client relationships for repeat business. Do. Be professional, deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and communicate effectively with clients. Don't. Avoid being unresponsive, missing deadlines, overcommitting, or having unprofessional interactions. Negotiating rates and setting freelance project budgets. Research market rates. Know the average rates for your services in the market to negotiate fair prices with clients. Consider scope. Consider the project's complexity, timeline, and level of effort required when setting your rates or budget for a project. Managing freelance finances, budgeting, taxes, and invoicing. Budgeting. Create a budget to manage your income and expenses effectively. Taxes. Understand your tax obligations as a freelancer and set aside money for taxes regularly. Invoicing. Use professional invoicing tools to send detailed invoices to clients and keep track of payments. Freelancing with a full-time job. Balancing your 9 to 5 and side hustle. Time management. Plan your schedule efficiently to accommodate both your full-time job and freelancing projects. Set realistic goals. Be realistic about how much time you can devote to freelancing alongside your regular job. Freelancing for stay-at-home parents. Flexible options for earning income. Remote work opportunities. Look for remote freelance opportunities that offer flexible working hours, allowing you to balance your parental responsibilities. Time management. Efficiently manage your time between caregiving and freelancing tasks. Building a brand as a freelancer. Marketing yourself for long-term success. Personal branding. Define your unique selling proposition and present yourself as an expert in your field. Social media presence. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work, engage with your audience, and attract potential clients. Freelance networking. Connecting with clients and peers for opportunities. Attend networking events. Participate in industry-specific events, conferences, and online forums to connect with potential clients and other freelancers. Collaborate with peers. Partner with fellow freelancers on projects that complement your skills. Freelance testimonials and referrals. Harnessing the power of positive feedback. Request testimonials. After completing a project, ask clients for feedback and testimonials to build credibility. Referral programs. Offer incentives for clients to refer you to others, thereby increasing your client base. Remember, freelancing requires consistent effort and a proactive approach. Continuously refine your skills, adapt to market trends, and be open to learning and improving to thrive in the freelancing world. Good luck on your freelancing journey. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Money Mavericks for more valuable content on earning money and adding side income.